By 10 a.m., I move that we approve the proposed measures and that we direct the secretary to prepare a committee report so that it can be discussed for plenary discussion.
Subject to the amendments proposed by the parties which the subcommittee shall consider, including decoupling, sir. We shall consider it. As well as the points raised by the COMELEC with respect to appropriation and the point raised earlier on the date para hindi tumugma sa November 2, and subject to the point raised to Director Serrano again on decoupling. I think you have the same position as NAMFREL, that there is no problem with fixing the 5-year term, but that they're proposing that the elections still continue as scheduled and to begin the 5-year term thereafter. We shall consider that in coming up with the committee report, and the chair hereby approves the motion of Senator JV. Thank you very much, sirs, for your time. Sorry kung medyo maaga yung hearing. Alam ko usually 9 o'clock o 10 o'clock. Inagahan po namin dahil may impeachment po kami ng 10 o'clock. Again, thank you, good morning, and happy birthday to Chairman Garcia. The hearing is adjourned.